Let's start. Hello friends, welcome back to Surya Chess. So today I'm going to play a matches on a Lee Chess. Just to tell you to sync up my username with my channel name. I have started this account and I'll be playing on that account to make some games over there and have a sync up over there. Maybe let's go with the 2+1. Bullet is the first game on this account. So 2+1 playing so fast. I'm not winning that pawn, but anyways, let's come back. Okay, let's see. Hey, Anya. Yeah, leeches. Today, this is. I was just trying to change my username over there, but it was not allowing me to change my username from Surya Rock. So I had just, created the new user just to have a sync up over there. Okay, let me take. Maybe I need to change this to here. But yeah, yeah. You can only change the I think uppercase or lowercase. So that is the problem happened, and I just thought that the time to create the account and sync up with the username, and then probably I can make a new account and why not? Let's have a new account and enjoy. Hmm. Oh no, oh no, oh no. This was a back rank mate. I missed it. And this is my first game and I'm losing so much of rating. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Anya, this is not this is not going good with my new account. But anyways, let's quickly go and let's try to increase the rating. I think after 10 or 11 games your ratings will be. Yeah, I didn't saw that actually. Anyways, I need to be sync up with my chats and with my game. It's like now I'm chatting with you and I'm not concentrating the game. So that was happened with me not once, it's a twice or thrice it has happened. So uh, so between how you are online now, it's oh no, the chroma is not proper today. This change in light. Anyways, okay, let's come here. I'm just curious where it's going. Yeah, I thought of it. Maybe. Let's try. If you are going for a long castle, I'm definitely going to strike you back, and I'm winning your bishop. Let's see. Now I am in a simul. Oh, Madelina. Oh, that is nice. Now you are losing a bishop. That is nice. Where I if I can play, get a chance to play, that will be great then. Okay. Yeah, this is hanging. Oh, thank you very much. That's castle. If you want, take it. No problem. Probably can. Let me see. Okay. I don't mind it. You have to wait for to come and make a move on the board. So she'll play every 5-10 minutes. Oh, okay. Let me check that. Thank you so much for this piece. So Anya, definitely this I'm going to win. For sure, there is no issue. Thank you so much again, upon. Let me just come back. Oh, that was the possibly. Now I'm winning the piece as well here. Thank you so much. Another piece. Okay. Hmm. Take it. Okay. Need to find the mate now. Hmm. Take. Okay. Capture. Oh no. I don't want to make a stalemate. Okay, let's give her the piece and cut off the king. Let's go here. 9 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, let's come fast. So this is second game and I don't want to lose it. So where you wanna go? Go anywhere. I am going to make a rook because that will be the stalemate and it's a mate. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Some ratings has been increased. Okay, regarding the Madalena, okay. Let me find. She is on leeches or let me find. I'm already following her, so she should be live there. Yeah, I can see. Chess on Leeches org. Yeah, yeah, I just found that. She's playing with. Is it a Simul? I'm not sure. Uh, Chessy Club. So Anya, I can send directly a challenge. So not sure. Chessy Club, right? Fine. Yeah, you can see. I'm just saying that whether she's directly accepting the challenges, I'm not sure because my account is new, so mine I'm not sure this account she will accept or not. But since the games, what time frame and join the Simon now? Okay, all right, got it. Okay, then Anya, let's continue and try to make the my new account rating stable. Right now it's very unstable, so let's play and make a stable rating over there. I just played before stream 3-4 games of 3+2, and those were some good games. First game I lost. I don't know why that is happening, but the very first game I'm losing. This is nice idea of bishop onto f4 to plan for this deadly attack. Hey, let's castle. Don't have any fear of this. Uh, we just come back. Come here and maybe the night on developing like this. Can be possible. What is this idea? Hey, I don't mind it. I'm planning to take, and if you capture, I'll capture with the pawn and your knight is hanging. Where you are moving now? Your bishop is... Oh no! But yeah, knight is also trapped. I just missed that, and okay, another win. I should have be careful because yeah, that one will be helpful when I capture back here. If you move anywhere, I'll be winning your exchange up. But anyways, let's go. Thank you, Anya. Let's move on and continue. Leeches. I found that always you are rating. Okay, let's go Stap. No, I don't wanna play Stafford at the beginning only. Once I stable down my rating, I will definitely play the variations. Maybe here. Okay. Oh no, music is not good. Let me change that. Sensious free music is sometimes too much of terrible music. Change. Oh, I think this is already used to with that. Let me change. Let's castle. What is the meaning of this man? What you are going to do here? This is quite possible. Let me stop it with the h6. I'm okay to give up that. I can't capture because the queen or bishop comes in. Yeah, queen comes in. My queen is hanging. Need to pay first of all support it. Hmm. And now I can capture. Wow. Hmm. I'm down here. I'm hitting the pawn now. But yeah, the rook can come in. Can I pin? No, I can't pin. Uh, what I can do is I can go here. Okay, thank you so much for another pawn. Okay. Backrank mate is possible, guys. I don't know how this is playing. 1500 rated player should play a good game on leeches, but sometimes it's possible that we are not playing up to the level. That is okay. Oh, oh, oh. Ah, I can't move my queen because there is a mate. Nice, nice. You are winning back your exchange. You want, you can capture. I don't mind. I miss that. I miss that. But yeah, now seems to be after saying something. Now the players are playing good game. So oh, Anya, what is this? Okay, let me ask for a rematch if this guy is going to play with me. I underestimated him. So this is second time on the stream today. Yeah, yeah. That is okay. That is okay. He's not okay. Let's go with the new player. No problem. I need to be careful with the back rank mates now. I think I have pushed that H3, but I don't know. But anyways, okay, let's play. Hmm. Maybe I'm having a fear of settle down my ratings on my new account. So, anyways, not going to play. Game has been aborted. Let's go to the new player. Oh no, he's having a less rating, but okay, let's play. We can't play because our rating is in under question mark right now. So let's play. Let's play. Benoni. What kind of structure this is? Hmm. Just move one move away to castle. Let's see. That is fine. Okay. Hmm. Just blundered the pawn or what? Yeah. Need to push pawn further. Hmm. Oh, pushing will not help to come back. Maybe like this. Capture. Let's capture. Hmm. Maybe. Ah, again, I need to be careful with my back rank mates. So capture and so he's going to come here. So you need to stop that. Uh, let's push. You come down. I'll stop it with the bishop. I'm very low on time. Wow, what a fast game going on here. Hmm. No, I can't go there. Okay, 3 seconds left. Oh no, I may lose on a time. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, that's fine. Oh no, no, this is first time I'm losing on time. This was the possible move. This is the only possible thing. Alright. Sorry guys, I'm losing on time. But anyways, let's try to settle down first the rating for the new account. And then, we can have the probably why these games are getting aborted. This is the reason sometimes, Anya, I don't like to play on a leeches that, it's taking a long that the people are not playing here and they're continuously aborting the games. Don't come. Don't come. I already said it's a trap. Oh, wow. This was the fast win. Okay. Oh, someone started following me. There, I didn't saw that. Okay. I'll check that. Let's push. Okay, I need to be fed up with this Carocon now. Maybe here and come here. Sorry. No. Can I win that pawn? I can, but probably what is the possibility? Let's develop. Let's see if I can manage this. Yeah, somehow got managed. Yeah. Okay with it, no problem. Oh, this is possible. Now it's not possible. Hmm, no queen threats. Actually, this one was possible. We first here. Let's go. So here to stuck or in between here. You are planning to come here. I know. Can win the pawn here immediately. What? Hey, good day. Good day, good day. You're from Australia. Nice. You wanna play on a leeches? Let me know. But here, it's my new account on leeches. So, Anya, I don't understand why he has resigned here. So let's try to understand. I know that this is possible, and there are two ways actually. Fork is possible, and queen. So thank you, Anya, for posting the command. You are such a great, moderator for me. I would say that you have given so much of improvements to my channel. So thank you so much for that. I am unable to pronounce your name. It's what? Orange Lauren. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Lauren JW. Okay, so let's go to the. If you are sending a challenge, let me know. Otherwise, I'm continue on playing. But if you are sending, please send me unrated match because I'm improving here. My account settling down. Let me check how many games I was done over there now. Bullet 7 games. Okay, out of which 4 win and 3 loss. So probable rating is 1500 over here right now. And Blitz today, Anya, as I said, I was playing Blitz before some time. I have played 4 games, 3 won and 1 lost. The first game which I played, I am losing on every format. If I again go for a rapid also, it may be the possibility of losing. And MMT and thank you so much for following. Anya, do you know who is? I'm not sure. This account. All right, so let's come back and continue playing the games. 1400 rated so far, and let's go with the Stafford now. If losing, no problem. Oh no, this guy is not allowing us for the Stafford capture. Hmm, let's play the normal games. Back. I don't mind if you are going to attack. Okay, okay. Again, this music is irritating. What kind of music this is? Anya, please suggest the operatory music. I will try that. Hmm. Okay, at least I own the one pawn here. I was talking about the free music. Uh, okay, let's go and attack. Oh no! I have allowed that. Anyways, let's try to save the game now. Hmm, can I pick this pawn? It's a risky pawn, but anyways, let's try to pick it. Hmm, this is coming at any time, and you will be getting a draw. Cannot capture here. Now let me see. This is the back rank mate now. This wherever you go, I'll be winning on the back rank mate. Let's see. There is no check coming. Let's see. Okay, you are planning for winning on time. It's a leeches, and it's like a can capture if you want, no problem at all. All right. So now this is uh, ratings are I think little bit settled down now. Let's go and continue. I think Anya, it's like after 10 or 11 games, your ratings are getting settled down on leeches. Okay, d4. Let's go knight to f6. Maybe e4. Or e6. D5. Let's go Nimzo. Castle. Then c6. If come like this. Oh, you're trying to create some stone wall structure. Okay, sure, no problem. Um, okay. Probably I have missed that. Okay, okay. Maybe going here. You simply move queen somewhere else, then it is under attack. Let's come back and you are winning a pawn here. Okay. Maybe something like this could have possible, but anyways, let's push. Okay, this seems to be the stronger game. The opponent is very stronger here, so let's try to focus. Music is. Oh no! Oh no! What is this? Okay, let me first fix this music. I'm going here and coming back. Okay, probably now let's focus. We have some more time. Okay, let's go. Accepted. All right. Oh. Hmm. Let's go. Not allowing for any pins and pawns. So let's castle. Now this knight is outposted because you know you are planning to just support that knight for Here we go here, capture, capture, and losing the pawn here. Hey Vaibhav, how are you? Thank you for joining. Today, I have created new account to sync up my username with my account name. So I'm just trying to, save the ratings at the beginning. As you know, earlier it will be so much of plus and minus. That's what I'm trying to save. I think this one was not a good move. Did you feel? No, not yet. Leeches, I'm not streaming, as you know, so I'm planning. Yeah, yeah. I will check that. I will check that. Hmm. But this for new account, I don't know if it then going to support that or not. So I'm trying to make a more games with this account. So okay. What is the criteria for that streamer? Is there something like this much of followers and this much of games are required, or what? We can directly get it selected over there, because I think I already filled form for chess.com. At that time, I think I was very new with my account, but now it's better. Not going to work. Any rook can join in for double attack. I don't know. This man is taking so much of time. This is probably the ninth bullet game, and maybe after one or two games, our rating will get stable. Then can have probably something. I think he is lost on internet connectivity or something. I don't know. Let it be. I don't mind it. So let's go to the new game. In 16. Okay, let's go this time D4. Sorry, C4. Uh, what is wrong with this? Okay. So oh, now this is getting fall into it. Uh, what we can play here? I don't wanna give up this bishop. Maybe just put down for a timing. Let's see. Let's castle. Pawn push. That is okay. I was planning for this one. Okay. Not sure. Hmm. What kind of this stuff? Take with that only. I am not going to blunder this. Oh, hey, come on. And this one was hanging up. What's wrong with that? And he didn't. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Has to resign immediately. Not good. So let's start. Give me a sec. I was just doing one. Oh no. Let's start with the new game. I think it is going to settle down on. No, again it's us. I need. Give me a sec, guys. Oh, there. Okay. Maybe I should play more Blitz game than Bullet one. So that is what I also like. And hmm, okay. Is going for this. Let's go on castle. I think the rating is got stable now. I see that. One push. Hmm. Not give check because of this. That's okay. Hmm. Oh, thank you so much, Amol, for following. Okay, I'm losing on time. I need to play fast. This game is my game. Is okay. Oh no! Oh no! Till 28. No, no, no. Okay. I think I need to focus on time now. What is the time here first? Oh, Amol, you want to play? Let's just castle. Okay, come back here. Let's see. I'm okay with the trade. Hmm, where you are going? Hmm, it's going to be the equal game right now. Yeah, this is going. This is coming right now. You have to be careful with the attacks, guys. So much of things happens. Oh, nice move of stopping the check. Hmm, we just push pawn for some back rank something. Hmm, I need to come here. Hmm, that is fine. Okay, let's block here. Oh no 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 mouse slip. Oh no 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 no. Okay, I need to be careful with leeches now. I'm very much bad with the leeches, and that's why I don't like that much. But today I'm playing it. Hmm, I'm back. Mm, let's castles. Maybe go here. Because this diagonal is not good, but this diagonal is good to hit. Let's see. How long our stream is there now? 1 hour. Alright. Anyway, my bullet rating was not good earlier also. Or here on as well as on the chess.com. This is possible hitting here. Salah Oscar. Okay. Oh. Pawn cannot be pushed. Okay. And rook only. Hmm. Okay. Let's capture with this. Most probably now anything is possible because of double attack. Let's see. He is low on time. Oh, he just lost on time. Alright, let's continue. And maybe now some more games has done. So maybe this one the last game of bullet, and maybe we will play one. Back and develops. Castle. This can come. Actually, should have pushed the a6, but anyways, that's okay. Hmm. Probably come back. Don't wanna trade. a6. Rook jumps in. The falls in. Okay. Okay. This will hit here, so not possible. So here, possible. Here also possible, but you know after this your queen will be getting trapped. Let me just save here. Let's see. Of this idea now. Uh, I don't wanna get up with these knights are in tricky one. I'm planning for a mate, so I have to postpone further. Oh, this was not expected, but anyways, no problem. Still, I can draw it if I want. Let's see. No, now it's not possible. This will not work out. Capture. Hmm. Okay, just come here. I'm losing on time. Actually, that one was possible. No man, come on. Anya, you are back. Thank you so much for coming back. Anya, you wanna play? But my rating is now just settled down over there somewhere around below 1500 on bullet. So I don't like that. But anyway, maybe you know, Anya, I have to leave after 5 or 10 minutes. As I said that unrated. Okay. Oh, but I already started this one. Okay, after this game we will play one game. Because I have to close by 2:20 actually. But let's see. Playing so fast, not expected. I play. Yeah, I know you only play bullet only. Today only I'm playing. I'm getting inspired from you and playing bullet on my new account. So this got settled somewhere, but not that much of what we expected. Hmm. Castle. What is this? Just a temper stuff or what? How can I get rid of with that? Let's see. Maybe here. And this knight can jump in actually. Yeah, thought of it. On push, I will capture you, and I'll. Uh, yeah. Let's see. Let's see how it's going over here. All right. You can go over here. I'll postpone further. Hmm. Capture. On post. Planning to come here or what? That is the only possibly idea. Hmm. We just come back. I thought of it. Oh, this is the. No, I thought of it. Okay. Oh, finally I own over there. So, okay, Anya, your username on Leeches is same, right? Only one game, huh? Because I am in a rush now because I need to go. As I told you, I'm working and I'm spreading the chess equally. So, uh, let me find you, Anya score 15. Oh, bullet 2000. Oh, does not accept the challenges. Anya, you have to send me the challenge. Meanwhile, give me a sec. Yeah, sure, you can play Night IRL. What is your username? Or maybe you can send over here, yeah. And I just pasted in the chat. So you can just copy the leeches URL and send me the challenge. Oh, it's a standard. Oh, you are too much rated than me. I'm okay with it. Probably I'll be lose only, but I'll try to give it a fight. Oh, Monk Cloud. Is it a something? Okay. Okay, let's play normal. I'll play next time. Need to go. Yeah, Anya. I also need to go, Anya. After this game, definitely, I will also leave. Uh, but this is heating up. I don't understand. Means yeah, you are playing in a very different manner, which is I seen Bomb Cloud. Oh no, this is blunder. Oh no, this is anyway losing. Why he didn't capture? This was the first blunder here happened, guys. Uh, Let me see if I can see your profile. When did you started playing and all? You have played 580 games. That is incredible. Hmm. Okay. So guys, if you are coming on the first time on the channel, do join the Discord. Not much active on that, but yeah, I'll be posting, and this is my YouTube channel. You can join there as well. Wow, he's a 2200 rated player and he's blundering queen. How that is possible? Hmm. Okay, just castle first. Oops, that one was possible. Now also possible. Hmm. Okay, let's go here. I don't wanna capture that pawn. Okay, use the check. Capture. Maybe here. Planning for use the check. Thank you so much. Now this is hanging. This is hanging. Okay. So guys, thank you so much. I don't understand why you blundered that queen over there, but thank you so much for playing. And if you like, do follow to my channel, or my YouTube channel as well. So let's quickly give the reds to someone else. Close for today. It was fun of this. It was really fun of playing with all of you guys, and really appreciate that getting a chance to play with the 2200 rated player. It's nice. Let's go quickly and check out the channel. We can read. There's so much of matured. I see. We find 1000 yellow bright. Okay, let's give the red to that channel. This Polgar name was. Friends, please. Okay, this is new account, so probably we have to support the new channel. So I'm also new channel, but anyway, we have to support to our fellow streamer. So I'm reading to the Judith Polgar. There is no one actually on the face, but they're playing directly. 1700 account rating I see over there. So let's raid over there. And see you guys tonight. Maybe if I get a chance, I'll stream tonight or else tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.